There's a place in your heart.
Hi guys, this is Teacher Mel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn about prime factorization. So last time we learned about how to get the prime numbers. Okay, so this time we're going to find the prime factors of a given number. For example, if you have 60, okay, so what two numbers are you going to multiply to get 60? Or when you divide 60 by the first prime number, so we all know that the first prime number is 2. So when you divide 60 by 2, so you will get like, you will make the 3 here like that. So 2 and then 30, right? So 2 times 30 is 60. Okay, another one is, so you keep on doing that way until you get the last prime number. Alright, so 30 is divisible by 2 and 2 is a prime number, so 2 times 15. Yeah, but 15 here is not divisible by 2, so you're going to divide 15 by the next prime number after 2, and the next prime number after 2 is 3. So 3, and then 3 times a number is 15, so it's 3 times 5, right? So it's 3 times 5. So to get the prime factors, so this is the last, because we cannot divide 5 by the next prime number except 5, in which it will lead you to 1, and 1 is not a prime number. So to get the prime factor of 60, just circle this one. So 2, 2, 3, and 5. So the prime factors is how many? 2. So 2 square is 2 square, and then times 3 times 5. So the prime factors are 2 square, 3, and 5. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So these are the prime factors of 60. Alright. So that is the prime factors of 60. Okay? Okay, another example. So if you have, let's say, 40, right? So what is the prime factors of 40? So let us divide 40 by the first prime number, which is 2. So 2 times a number is 40, so that is 20. Yeah, and then 20 is divisible by 2 again. So make a factor 3. This is what we call factor 3. So 2, and then 2 times a number is 10. 2 times 10, I mean, is equal to 20. Okay, so 2 times a number is equal to 20, and that is 10. And then 10 is still divisible by 2. So 10 divided 2 is 5. Okay, so that's it, because 5 is divisible by 5, which tends to get 1, I mean 1. Yeah, so where 1 is not a prime number. So let's erase this one. Okay, so the prime factors of 40 are this one, this one, this one, and then this one. And that is 1, 2, 3. How many 2? And that is 2, 3, or 2 cubed times 5, and that is the answer. That is the prime factors of the number 40. Alright? Okay, another example, third example. If you have, let's say, 48. You see it? Okay. So 48 is divisible by 2 again. The first prime number is 2. 2 times the number is 48, and that is 24. Right? And then 24 is again divisible by 2. 24, or 2 times a number is 24, and that is 12. Then 12 is still factorable by 2, and that is 2 times a number is 12, and that is 6. And then 6 still factorable, which is 2 times 3. So we all know that 3 is a prime number, so we have to stop in there. That is the last one. So the prime factors of 48 are, so you have 2 here, you have 2, you have 2, you have 2, you have 3. So what are the prime factors? So the answer will become 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to the 4th power times 3. So these are the prime factors of 48. Alright? So it's quite easy. Okay, by this time, what if the given are the prime factors of a number? For example, if you have 2 square times 5. So what is the number? Okay, so what is the number? So these are the prime factors of a given number, of an unknown number, I mean. So these are the prime factors of an unknown number. So what is that number? Correct, that is 20, because 2 times 2, or 2 square, 2 to the 2nd power is 4, times 5 is 20. Okay, one more. If you have 2 square times 3 times 7, so is 7 is a prime number? Yes. Okay, so what is 2 times 2? That is 4, times 3 is 12, times 7 is, so it's 84. So the unknown number is 84, and the first one is 20. Yeah? Okay, what if you have 2 cubed times 7 square? So these are the prime factors of an unknown number. So what is that number? Okay, so let's start here. 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so you're going to multiply 2 by itself 3 times, and that is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So the answer here is 8. And then times, so what is 7 times 7? Not 7 times 2, okay? It's 7 times 7. So it's 49. Right? Then after that, 49 times 8 is 392. So this is the missing number. Alright? So that's all for today, and I hope you've learned from this lesson. If you didn't subscribe yet in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell so that you get notified the next time I uploaded my next video. And shout out to Zamzam and Zoom Zoom, okay, the Honey Pie Vlogs, Donya Cheng, Kilay Life is 29, Daddy Joe, and others. Right? So that's all for today. See you next time. Bye.